Har Har Mahadev, I am Sushmita Dey, your interior designer, Vastu expert, numerologist from Raipur, Chhattisgarh, India. And today we are going to talk about one interesting topic, some common myths about interior designing and truth behind them.
Interior designing only means buying new furniture and painting walls.
Interior designing is not only about adding furniture or painting walls. It's about ceiling design, electrical layout, vastu, etc. Basically, it's a life-changing process.
If we copy online images, why do we even need a designer?
The designs you see online are not customized. They may not suit your space, your custom plan, or Vastu, but a professional designers make a custom plan for you for your home that suits you well.
Interior designers only take up big luxury projects.
Nowadays, interior designers work on everything like 1 BHK, offices, cafes, etc. Good designing is needed in small spaces because every inch must be utilized.
Small homes don't need interior design.
Actually, designing small spaces are much more challenging. Smart design can make your area, your space more functional, large, and spacious.
Buying expensive items makes the home look well designed.
A beautiful home is not about expensive things, it's about a thoughtful design. A real space is all about designing furniture according to your spaces that make your home a well designed house.
Pick one theme and do the whole house in it.
According to me, sticking to a single theme must be boring. Every space has its own mood, its vibe, so a space should be designed according to its vibe, its mood.
If it looks good in the showroom, does it will look good at home?
Lighting and spacing in showrooms are different. Furnitures and decor should suit your home, your wall color, and your theme. A designer chooses it perfectly for you.
Designers don't work on low budget projects.
Many people think designers only work for high end projects, but that's not the truth. Designers also work for small projects like 1 BHK, small houses, small offices, etc.
Does only new homes need design, not old ones?
Renovation and makeover projects are on a high demand now. You can make your old home modern, Vastu friendly without breaking the walls. How? Go and check the Swastik video.
Does all modular kitchens look the same?
No, every family has a different kitchen routine. According to your routine, your designer decides how your kitchen should be like L shape, C shape, U shape, island kitchen, etc.
Does color combination doesn't matter much?
The right color combination of your room can change its mood, size, and energy. Warm colors feel cozy and cool colors feel refreshing.
Does designers only impose their own taste?
A professional designer always prioritizes his client's preference, lifestyle, and comfort.
Real designing only comes from experience and instinct. Does degrees doesn't matter?
Interior designing is both technical and creative. Having a professional degree and a experience is very crucial. In a degree, they teach you space management, ceiling design, vastu, etc., which is very important.
Does loft storage is outdated?
Modern design improves the idea of loft storage. They are aesthetically pleasing and are functional.
At last, but not the least, the biggest modern myth. Does YouTube videos are enough to design your own house?
Videos can inspire you, but the real designing involves measurement, availability of materials, local workers, etc. The best you can do is hire a designer who will work smartly and effectively for you.
Okay, these myths were busted. You must have experienced something like this in your design practice. We will love to listen about some of your experience regarding the myths and how did you handle them.
Surely, I have faced this type of myth. One of my favorite couple, they called me through Just Dial. They are one of my favorite clients I have ever worked with. And a shout out to you guys. I am busting this myth. So yeah, they have called me from Just Dial, and they were like, "We have done our YouTube. We have done our home through YouTube video, DIY videos, and." For finishing, they were like, if I can give them some suggestions so that they can finish their whole interior work. So I was like, yeah, okay, I can. They were like, you come, visit our site, visit our home. I was like, let's see how a YouTube can see a designer's perspective or can tell how a designer's work. So I agreed for going there.
Sounds
Then,
interesting.
yes, then I went there. I walked and I saw living room first. All the furnitures were in a single corner, and the space was all like open and dead space. I was like, why is all the furniture there? Like sofa is here, coffee table is here, couch is here, and there was a puffy. Puffy was also here. And in left hand side there was nothing. I was like, what is this? Why is this so? They were like, we wanted that our room looks bigger. And I was like, shit. They got it wrong. Misunderstanding. Like if we want a room to look bigger, we can use it, like we can, yeah, we can show it by colors, etc. But they were misunderstood. Then the most funny part, I saw the back wall. There was a wallpaper and it was bubbled. Then I was like, why is this bubbled? What you have done? Like, why is it bubbled? So they were like, we saw a YouTube video. In the video, the guy took the wallpaper and he pasted it with wallpaper glue. And I was like, okay. So then they were like, we didn't got the wallpaper glue, so we used the normal glue, and the bubble came up. And I was like,
Oh god,
okay.
that's why all the designers say you have to know the material language.
Yeah. Then we moved to the kitchen. I saw like a cute Pinteresty. I knew that it was made through Pinterest images. There were a cute little jar, masala jar like haldi, mirchi and all. It was looking so cute. They were very excited to say that we have perfectly copied pasted it. So I was like,
So this sounds interesting. You thought that they must have done something new.
yeah, I thought, no, actually, not. I thought that, okay, I was like, I don't want to ruin their excitement, but I asked them, where is the storage? And the fraction of second, all the excitement was vanished. So they were like, storage was not there in their kitchen. We have not thought about the storage, but that's the thing. That's the point. Designer tells you the actual things practically which is happening. They were like, ki, they must not cook in the kitchen, etc., etc. So we so we laughed it off. Just pure lessons, no judgment. Weeks later, we reworked their home, like the kitchen, the wallpaper, etc.
Okay, just making a home using YouTube videos is like a hell.
Purely a hell. Moral of the story is, what I say is, you need a designer, because designers make custom plans for you, like for your home. They know what to do, what not to do, what is practical, what is not practical, what will suit you, what will not. YouTube videos don't. They follow a pattern, a theme about which they tell you. They are not standard, nothing. So hire a designer. Thank you. If you found this video informative, share it with your friends. Please like, comment, share, and tell me in the comments which myth you believed. And yes, don't forget to subscribe Shishri Interiors and Build, because we are bringing such more informative videos for you.